Hello traders, in this video we are going to walk through the steps to change your MT4 and MT5 trading account password. If you have ever had a compromised password, you would understand the importance of having to know how to change your account password, especially in a financial application such as this one. Now, keeping your platform login secure is essential for protecting your funds and personal information. And it is worth noting that the process only takes a few moments to complete, so you don't have to worry about the time. Now, let's start. On MT4, your password is managed through the main platform menus rather than on the chat itself. Once you're logged in, you access a standard options window with several tabs, including the one where your server and login details are shown. Now we'll move on to the steps on how to change your password. Just come over to the tools over here and move down to the options. I'll take my time with it so you can follow along. Now from these options, move over to the server. That's the first bar. And you come over to change over here. Now you have to enter the current password, which must be the master password. Mine is already on my clipboard, so I'll just paste it here. Our password must be complex enough, at least 5 symbols long, and at least 2 of the character types present, lowercase, uppercase, digit. My current password fulfills that requirement. Also to set it again as my new password and my confirmation and click OK, and it's successful. And once that is done, just click OK and you're done with that. Now, although this video, importantly, focus on MT4, the process on MT5 is very similar. Accessing account settings from the platform options or account context menu, and then using the change password function to set and confirm a new secure password. These steps are for any MT4 or MT5 user who wants to secure their trading accounts, whether you're a beginner or experienced trader. If you like a separate video on MT5, let me know in the comments below. Now, regular password changes are recommended, especially if you have logged in from public networks or suspect your credentials may have been exposed or have shared assets with someone else recently. Remember that you must meet your password requirement from your broker, and if you forget your new password, you may need to request a reset directly from your broker's client portal or support team. The Learn More link is in the description below, and you can read the full How to Change MT4 Password Guide, including security tips and best practices for strong password in the Forex gig. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future platform tutorials and trading educational videos.